Question?
Yeah, so what's your thoughts around trade journaling in general, and if so, what parameters would you use on trade journaling in order to...
Trade journaling?
Yeah, so as in assessing each individual trade.
Yeah, good question. All right, so in trading journals are if someone asks me what's the best book on trading to read, and I would reply, your trading journal. That's the best book you can read because there's so much information there. So there are basically two types of trading journals. One is the action journal, when you write down where you get in and where you get out. And the one should be the thoughts and emotions journal. Because it's not just keep it as a simple accounting exercise. This is where I go in, this is where I go out, P&L, so on and so forth. This is useful, but it's also you want to be writing down the underlying logic. Because when you flick through it afterwards, you want to be seeing, oh, this is what I did, this is what I was thinking at the time. And maybe you can start evaluating, oh, this is, you'll see a lot of patterns in yourself or you can keep notes on a chart. Ideally, you want to be use a software like Snagit or some image capturing software, so you can highlight this area and say, I took this trade because of this and this and this. Copy paste it on a Word document, and once you have 30 pages, print it out and read it. It won't take you long. It won't take. Obviously, this process is very difficult to do if you are an intraday trader. That's why a lot of prop trading houses who do have intraday traders, they don't do this type of journaling. They do it over video. But for us, and I stay away from day trading, keep it like that. Just copy and paste it. Make a template for the comments. I took this, and so you can use this. So, for example, use a size stop signal and use a check mark. Yep. To see if you kept everything or if you broke the rules, and then have a comment box below. This is what I thought of the market, blah, blah, because of this, and X, Y, Z said this. And then when you've gone over 30 trades, print it out, just 30 pages. And then read your own comments. You'll get, believe me, it's the best technical analysis book you will ever read, your own trading journal.